Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. Ignore the hearse. I have no idea why the hearse is there. I literally think it is one of the painters drives a hearse. I really think that is that. I think someone literally drives a hearse there. I think that's all that is. But I have a construction update for you guys today on Flight Deck, Minebuster, and 2028 ? And a few other small things around the park. As you can see here, there hasn't been a crazy amount of progress on Flight Deck's paint job. It has been so wet, and it's going to continue to be wet for the rest of the week. In fact, this could be one of the last fly days in a couple days, just due to how wet it's going to be. So we'll keep you guys posted. Work continues on the electrical for Daredeviler. I think I called it Flight Deck at the beginning of the video. But yeah, Daredeviler, the electrical work continues, as well as painting all the supports. There is so much electrical upgrades taking place on this ride, and you have to think about it. It's literally like, so when they do all the brakes and the lift hill and the PLC system and all that, it all has to go all the way back to the ride's computer room as well. So everything is being upgraded. So it's a really intense job in terms of how much they're upgrading. Now, there is some really exciting news. I can't share the footage in this video, but we can confirm that the fighter jet is obviously going to be shipped out. That information is pretty obvious to a lot of us now. But there is a pretty massive set piece that has arrived at the park today. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I really like what they're going to do with this ride. And yeah, so I can't share it. I know Wonderland would be pretty upset if I shared that on here. But it's gonna be awesome. I'm glad that we are getting, like, the amount of work. Obviously, there's going to be a Patreon update tomorrow, but the amount of work that this park is having done to it this off season is insane. It's what I already thought was a heavy amount of infrastructure work has turned into there's more piling up now. It's a really big off season in terms of investment. So I'm really excited to get into the park and see what this is all like what it looks like, because there's things that I can't even make out what they're doing right now going on, which is pretty insane. There's like one specific project in the park that I literally still can't make out what they're doing. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that. But all in all, it's great. Like, this park is very comfortable for me to see, and calms me down with the whole Six Flags, rumblings and all that. Over at Front Gate, our new Canada's Wonderland, or refurbished Canada's Wonderland sign has gone up. So for those of you that have been following on Patreon, this sign has been getting some love this off-season. The Kingswood area's demolition has continued. As you can see here, a lot of the buildings, gazebos, and entrance gate signs are down. There's just that last little ticket booth remaining, but the dumpster was redelivered empty, which means there is more demolishing to continue. So I suspect that building will be coming down as well, which is it's really sad. No other markings popping up. Obviously, we'll be able to see better in person, which is exciting because that's next weekend, guys. That's literally next weekend that we'll be able to go scout things out, because I'm gonna guess by fall we should start to see some sort of signs about the future. But over in Kidsville and Planet Snoopy, they are hard at work revamping this and revitalizing this area. The new drink stand is coming along nicely, as you can see here. It looks great. Very excited about, again, all the work that has gone into Canada's Wonderland. A lot of ride refurbishments. The brickwork. Okay, I'm just going to talk about it right here. You see this brickwork right here? Yeah, picture this in like 20 different locations around the park. That amount of brickwork. They are putting in a pretty penny everywhere. In the park. Like, Lazy Bear was just built pretty recently, and they're redoing some of the brickwork over there as well. So it's really, really exciting to see. So over at Minebuster, again, very hard to tell the amount of work that is going in. You can see more running rail there as well, and more just woodwork. So nothing too exciting, because we obviously can't see by the naked eye the kind of work that's going on. But yeah, we're almost there. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good one, guys. Bye.